Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Vimeo OTT for video post distribution. Complete guide step by step clearly. Navigate to the Vimeo OTT website. On the home page, locate the Get Started or Sign Up button and click on it. You will be prompted to create an account. Fill in your email address and create a secure password. Make sure to read the terms of service and privacy policy. Check the box to agree to these terms. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Once your account has been created, check your email for a confirmation link. Open the email and click the confirmation link to verify your account. Return to the Vimeo OTT website and log in with your credentials. After logging in, explore the available subscription plans. Select a plan that suits your video post distribution needs. You will be prompted to enter your payment information. Fill in the required payment details securely. Review your subscription details carefully before confirming. Click on the Confirm Subscription button to finalize your purchase. You will receive a confirmation notification once your subscription is active. After your subscription is confirmed, you can start uploading and distributing your videos. Access the dashboard to manage your video content and settings. If needed, refer to the Help section for additional support. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.